Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now in today's video we're looking at how to share screen on Discord. Maybe you've wanted to do this for a while but you don't know how to. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do is open Discord and join the voice channel where you want to share your screen. This could be a server, voice channel, or a direct message voice call. So once you've done that, find the share screen icon. This icon usually looks like a monitor with an arrow. It's typically located in the voice/video call controls. Next, click the share screen icon. Once you clicked it, then you select the application window. If you only want to share a specific application like a game or a browser window, don't forget to choose the application from the list. But if you want to share your entire screen, you can select screen or entire screen option. So once you've chosen what you want to share, the next thing is to adjust the settings. This is optional. You can decide to adjust the audio to choose whether or not to share your computer's audio with the screen share. You can also choose the quality. You may have the option to adjust the video quality, that is the resolution and frame rate of your screen share. You can also decide to go live. After choosing all this, you click go live to start sharing your screen with the other participants in the voice channel. Now in case you want to stop sharing your screen, simply click the stop sharing button in the screen share controls. Let me give you some tips for screen sharing. Minimize distractions. So you need to close unnecessary applications or browser tabs to avoid distractions. Then close background applications also to improve screen sharing performance. If you're sharing audio, ensure your microphone is muted to avoid feedback. And don't forget to use the applications option. To share specific applications is often more efficient and can help prevent accidental sharing of sensitive information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.